To open a TurboTax tax file, you will need to have TurboTax installed on your computer. If you do not have it, you can download it from the official TurboTax website. First, locate the tax file you want to open, which should have a .tax file extension. This file contains all the information related to your tax return. Next, launch the TurboTax software on your computer. You can do this by double-clicking on the TurboTax icon on your desktop or by searching for it in your computer's Start menu. Once TurboTax is open, click on the File menu at the top of the screen and select Open. This will bring up a window where you can browse for your tax file. Navigate to the location where your .tax file is saved. Select it, and click Open. TurboTax will then load your tax file and display its contents. If you are having trouble finding your .tax file, make sure you are looking in the correct location. Check your desktop, Documents folder, and Downloads folder for the file. It is also important to note that you can only open .tax files in TurboTax and not in other tax preparation software. If you need to access your tax information in a different program, you may need to export it as a PDF or other file type. To avoid any issues when opening your .tax file, make sure your TurboTax software is up to date and that you have the correct permissions to access the file. By following these steps, you should be able to easily open your TurboTax tax file and access your tax information. If you encounter any problems, you can contact TurboTax support for assistance. It is always a good idea to make a backup of your .tax file in case something goes wrong or you need to access it later. You can do this by copying the file to an external hard drive or cloud storage service. Remember to keep your .tax file in a secure location to protect your personal and financial information.